Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.quoteoftheday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Faith in the inevitable. Quiet your mind and let go of any preconceptions, misconceptions, and contradictions. When you take a step back, away from the noise or chaos of today, you're receptive to all the answers you're looking for. You're receptive to all the good that is waiting for you to claim yours. Your mind cannot have clarity with confusion, so reflect, surrender, and have faith in the inevitable. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment for gratitude. So if you're able, let's close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family. And I'm grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.